Well, I've had this hammer for probably about a year now. It's worn fantastically well and it's spot on for any electrician. For lightness, the heaviness to getting around in people's lofts, you can just shove it in your back pocket or your holster or obviously on your belt. The flathead surface as well is spot on for obviously nailing in nails. It's not rounded, it's not meant to be hitting bricks or anything. It's made for electricians. And then the claw head as well. Well, this is spot on, getting them old clips out the wall. Let me show you. Get your hammer just in there. And it goes through nice. Look, even before I've got the hammer in there, it's got it off. Perfect. I like the way it hits the nail head on. Without a problem. You can get it off as well, look, to be honest. Perfect. And the great thing about it, it's not too big either. So it'll fit in your bag.